Hi everyone, I wanted to showcase a little project I've been working on lately. And basically what this thing does is sync the colors of your smart RGB light to the colors of your screen. The code is open source on GitHub, written in Python using PySimple GUI. Feel free to check it out and collaborate. This is the main screen. Here we can start or stop the color sync. The slide on the top allows us to choose the brightness level of the light, and the checkbox near it allows us to choose adaptive brightness instead. If we're using multiple screens, we can pick which screen to use on the drop-down list, which we can refresh using the Refresh Screens button nearby. In the list, there is an option to choose individual screens or all screens at once. In the Settings tab, there are currently two modes, one for Yeelight Smart Bulbs and one for Home Assistant. I'm currently using the Yeelight M3 RGB Smart Light Bulb, so I will be using the Yeelight operating mode for all examples here. As you can see, I can scan my network for any Yeelight bulbs and pick which ones I want to sync. Okay, the Home Assistant mode allows me to send webhook API calls to my Home Assistant instance in my network, which can be set up to do anything from the Home Assistant GUI. I won't go into further details on this video, but you can find the documentation on how to use this mode in the README file of the repository on GitHub. Let's get started with a few examples from my recent trip to Japan. First of all, let's pick my Yeelight light bulb, discover. Mine is 164, that's the IP, and we can click Save. My bulb will flash green to let me know that I've chosen the correct light bulb. Okay, let's start. Here are some examples of gaming with this thing. Specifically here I'm playing Valorant. In most of these captures I'm with the adaptive brightness set to on. I prefer when I'm in a tunnel or something for the room to be dark, and then when I go out into the sunlight then the room will be bright. In some of these examples I have the adaptive brightness set to off. It's usually just the brighter captures, so it's easy to identify. As you can see, this creates a very immersive gaming experience. Lately I've just been gaming with this on at all times. I've really been enjoying playing Sea of Thieves with this. The colors there are very vivid. Once you look into the sea, then everything is very blue, and when you look into an island, then usually it's very green, and in the sky it's some other shade of blue, and it's very nice. And yeah, I've just been having a lot of fun with this. I recommend for any gamers out there to download this. Also, watching movies has been fun, specifically with dark scenes and bright scenes and flashing, when the whole room is with the computer screen. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun. And have a look at my code. Feel free to contribute. Enjoy.
My territory, my rules! Last player standing.
Let's crack them open.
Let's see a video from a recent trip to the Philippines. In this video, adaptive brightness is set to on. As you can see, the room gets dark when the video gets dark. Now let's see the same video, this time with adaptive brightness set to off. As you can see, the room stays bright, but of course the colors change. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.